lesson, we are now going to look at difference of two squares. What is meant by difference of two squares? When you are subtracting one term from another, then each of the terms happen to be a square. So we have ax square, we have a square minus b square. So difference of two squares. We also have x square minus y square, difference of two squares. 2x into bracket all square minus 3 square. They are all difference of two squares. Let's look at an example. Expand each of the following. The first one is into bracket a plus b times into bracket a minus b. From our previous lesson, we select the first term of the first binomial and multiply it by the second term. And then we take the next term and multiply by the second term once again. So we're going to have a times into bracket a minus b, and then we have addition sign here, so you bring your addition sign, b into bracket a minus b. Then we expand a times a square, a times b, ab, we have subtraction sign there, b times ab, and then b times b square, we have minus sign there, so minus b square. Now ab minus ab plus ab, they will cancel out, so we are going to left with a square minus b square. So when you expand a plus b and a minus b, you get a square minus b square. Look at this carefully. Let's expand into bracket 2x plus 3 and then into bracket 2x minus 3. We take 2x and multiply it by 2x minus 3, and then we take 3 and multiply it by 2x minus 3. We have addition sign here, so we bring the addition. 2x times 2x, we get 4x squared, and then 2x times 3, we get 6x. We have minus sign here, so bring it here. 3 times 2x to give us 6x, and then 3 times 3, we get 9, and bring the negative sign, or 3 times negative 3, we get negative 9. We have minus 6x plus 6x. Once again, they will cancel out, and you'll be left with 4x squared minus 3. Can we write each of the terms as a perfect square? Yes. 4x squared is the same as 2x squared. Mind you, 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and then 9 is the same as 3 squared. So once again, when you expand 2x plus 3 into bracket 2x minus 3, you get the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. We now have these two. Look at it carefully. The sum of two terms times the difference of the two terms, we get the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. Can you draw any general conclusion from this? Look at the second one too. 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x all squared minus 3. Are you done with your conclusion? Let's look at the general conclusion that you can draw. When you factorize the difference of two squares, like a square minus b, you get the product of the sum of the bases. A is a base, b is a base, 2 happens to be the index or the exponent. So we add the bases, and then we also subtract the bases. The sum of the bases times the difference of the bases gives you the difference of the two squares. Also, in factorizing an algebraic expression, we look for terms with common factors and factorize out the common term. This brings us to the end of the term. Let's do another quiz. Thank you.